My name is Barry McNamara. I'm the head women's soccer coach. I've been at Monmouth College since 1999, but I've been the head women's soccer coach since 2003. We're competitive every year. What we're trying to do is make our conference playoffs, which goes to the top 4 teams in our 10-team conference. So that's the thing that we're chasing every year. We're always in the hunt for that. This year we've got an excellent chance to make it, and we've made it before. So we're hoping to get this step nailed down, so that then we can focus on starting to win our conference every year, and that winning the conference puts you in the NCAA tournament, and that's what we're really hoping to get to. Peacock Park is a great place to play soccer. A lot of our recruits will have come from places where they had to play on their football field, or they had to play on a field that was really heavily crowned and sloped on the sidelines. Our field is perfectly flat. It's soccer only. It's natural grass. It's mowed 3 times a week by people that manage a golf course and take care of a golf course, and so they really know how to treat grass and treat it well. So we play on just 100% great grass. We practice on our game field, so we're always on a good field, and it's a great place to play. You get the whole college experience at Monmouth. It's not just about playing sports, and about the only other thing you're going to have time for is your classes. You're going to have time to play your sport, women's soccer. You're going to have time for that. You're going to have time to take your full class load and get a good, strong major in whatever is your chosen field. But then there's even more time for stuff beyond that. You could join a sorority. You could be in student government. You could be in the band or a music ensemble. There's just all kinds of opportunities here, and we are a seriously competitive team, but yet we don't make you do soccer 24/7. So it gives you some opportunities to get involved and experience what college is all about. What happens in soccer at the college level is, the difference from high school is that players are faster and players are more physical. So we're looking for somebody that brings in maybe a little bit better than average speed, or somebody that brings in some real physical ability. Now, if you bring in both, if you're fast and strong, I mean, that's awesome. But we hope that you bring in one or the other to really help us out. And that's because the college game is definitely a higher level of play, and we play a competitive Division III schedule, and against some of the best teams in the nation. So we need players that have those abilities to play against the competition that we're playing. Email is my preferred form of communication. I'm always close to a computer. I write for a living, so writing emails is no problem for me at all. So that's the best way. Now, sometimes I contact them first, and if I do contact a recruit by sending a letter, I'll always send a questionnaire along with that. So a great way to help me know that you're interested is to either fill out that questionnaire, the paper form that I send you, or to get on our website and click on the Recruit Me button, and that'll take you to an electronic version of basically the same form. So either one of those is a great way, or just send me an email, because I'll answer emails within 24 hours almost without exception, and that's kind of the preferred way for me. I do call recruits from time to time, but everybody's so hard to catch these days, even with cell phones, that it's much easier to just do it over the computer.